welcome back on the second tutorial about how to build a Vue or a vitejs SPA backed with a FastAPI. So I'm going to present a quick guide on this time on Vue, on Vue, sorry. So I don't need this anymore. And then it's exactly the same command. So I'm going to make it, so I'm going to get there, which is the one I have right here. Okay, I'm going to create a directory. I'm going to get into this directory. So it's empty. I'll clear my console and then I'm going to, so I'm already there. This time I'm going to launch and scaffold on Vue, which is almost the same. He asked me for a name of an application, so I'm going to give it to him. And I'm going to say no, well, this is no. And he already gave me the opportunity to install some Cypress or Playwright that are good for testing. User acceptance testing, sorry. And then I'm gonna remove these. I'm gonna and then just give me the. So I just run the install and then the dev, and it should work right here. And I'm of almost the same directory tree, you see. And then if I open it with visual, so I have it here. So I have this directory with the app, the most important, and the welcome. So for instance, if I need to change here, say hello YouTube, I have it here and I have it there. I can also change it. So it's calling these Vue. He created a lot of Vue. This is a great thing. And then you can change. You can start playing with. So for instance, let's say H2. And then, well, you make auto completion incorrect, and then I would say 2, and then you have it here. So, and if I want to remove, I can start working on that. You see, and I can even remove some stuff. So this is a welcome view. So here is the documentation test. You see, and it's changing right away. And you see that the command are already defined in the package. So I'm going to do the same thing as I did previously. So I have Toto, and I will stop. And instead of, I will say Toto, and it will do exactly the same thing. So everything when you forget, you will reload the stuff, and I have a kind of new command, and I already can make some change. You see, I can have Toto. You see, and then it's here. So basically, you see that it's pretty easy to create a kind of application right away. Every time you need to create, you can stop it, and do not forget to remove like I do. So you're gonna see I'm gonna remove it right away because I don't need it, and then I have a clear directory tree. So it's done. We've seen how to see the very first step to create a Vite and then a Vue application. We're going to get into more specific directories that I've given in my GitHub account, which is here. So I can open it right away. And so we're going to see how to to work first kind of locally. I've tried to gather some quick information. My concern is to be really pragmatic, not to explain any code, but just the minimum that you have to make an MVP. Okay, so see you in a minute for the third tutorial. Bye-bye.